Hey everyone, welcome back to the Technical Trader. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a 3 high probability breakout stock to keep a close eye on in the coming days. All of these picks are backed by a strong technical patterns on the weekly charts, which signals potential breakout moves that you don't want to miss out, right? So grab your notepad and let's dive right in. So let's start with the first stock. First is Anand Rathi. We are going to analyze the stock in a weekly time frame. Let's start with very basics. If you can see, the stock has made previously a markup move, or also we can say a markup phase. If you can see, almost from the level of 1600 till the level of 1600, almost 1000 point up moves stock has given, and this particular up move is known as the markup move or a markup phase. Once the markup phase is over, stock is consolidating, and this particular level, this particular structure is known as consolidation phase, or we can say a range bound structure. So what is markup phase, what is consolidation, what is range bound structure? This is phase as per the Wyckoff theory concept. If you don't know what is Wyckoff theory, I have already explained the Wyckoff theory concept in detail. I will share the link in my description. Go and check out. So, once the markup phase is over, stock has made a consolidation, and now stock is trading near the breakout levels. And if you can see this particular breakout candle, you can see the volume also at the same point of time for a better confirmation. At the same point of time, the volume is also the above average. This particular white line is signaling the average volume. So the volume is also above the average volume. That is our first confirmation. Second confirmation is the breakout candle near the resistance level, near the previous all-time high level. So at the same point of time, stock is already made a good consolidation and now trading near the breakout zone or breakout levels. At the same point of time, there is a good volume. So what is the important level which you should keep in your mind? So this particular level, which is your previous all-time high, which is around 2320 levels. So add these particular levels as an alert in your watch list. So whenever the stocks trading near this particular levels, you will get the alerts, and once you will get the alerts, what you have to do is whether to enter or not, you have to see some other parameters also to decide that particular thing. Like you have to see the volume at that particular breakout candle. At the same point of time, you have to follow the risk rewards also, and so other parameters are also been there. So this is the first stock which you should add in your watch list. So let's go and check the second stock. Second stock is KIMS, Krishna Institute of Medical Science. We are going to analyze the stock in a weekly time frame. So if you can see in this particular stock, history repeat itself. The best example, if you can see here, the stock has made a particular resistance level, and that particular resistance level is subsequently act as a support level. And this history repeat again. If you can see again, the stock has made a resistance level, subsequently that resistance level act as a support level. So this is again, we can say, a consolidation move or a consolidation or a range bound structure. It's a small, but it's still a consolidation or a range bound structure, that is two on a resistance side, on a resistance zone side. So what are the importance levels in this particular stock? Again, we are going to check the breakout candles and the volume analysis. Again, in this particular stock, this white line is the average line, and if you can see the volume, yes, it's like we can say average volume or a decent volume. So if the volume is average or above the volume, above the average volume, it's a good sign. At the same point of time, this is the particular level, this is the particular stock level which you should add in your alerts in your watch list, and this particular level is around 723 level. So whenever the stock touches the 723 level, you came to know that there is a breakout. But at the same point of time, as I said, you have to see some other parameters also, like the breakout candle, the volume at the same point of time. Like in the breakout candle, what is the volume? Is the volume is average, or is the volume is higher than the average? Along with that, you have to see risk rewards concepts, risk rewards you have to follow. So all these parameters also you have to check. Let's go and check the third last stock, and the third stock is Datamatics. We are going to see this particular stock also in a weekly time frame. Again, a good example of history repeat itself. If you can see, this pattern is known as bullish pennant pattern. So if you can see, bullish pennant wedge kind of pattern this particular stock has made. So previously the stock has made similar pattern, and stock has given some decent volume. If you can see here, from almost level of 330 till the level of 680, almost doubles. So once this chart pattern, once this breakout came, stock has given almost the double return, and this history is repeating again. Same kind of bullish wedge pennant kind of pattern structure stock has made, and you can see a strong signal of a breakout candle at the same point of time. So if you can see, this is the particular breakout candle, and at the same point of time, if you can see the volume is very high and good volume. So this is the average line, and the volume is above the average. And this breakout candles along with the higher volume, which signifies the potential breakout in this particular stock. But again, the important is which particular level which you should kept in your mind or add in your alerts. So this particular level around 740 level, which you should add as an alert in this particular stock in your watch list. So if the price touches this particular level, you will get the alerts. And along with this, before taking any particular entry, as I said, you have to follow the risk rewards concept. You have to follow some other parameters, check other parameters also, like breakout candles. At the same point of time, what is the volume? All those things, risk management, everything you have to be followed. These were our three high probability breakout stocks to track closely in the next few days. I repeat the name again. First is Anand Rathi, second is Skims, third is Datamatics. As always, make sure to do your own research and apply proper risk management before entering any particular trade. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment your views below, and subscribe to our channel for more such stock market contents. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next video.